Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to propagate succulents. Recently I've got a succulent for myself. This was my first purchase and it broke as it was so delicate. I was returning home and few of its leaves got detached. So what I did was I collected those leaves from the poly bag in which I was carrying that plant, and I allowed those leaves to get dried because at the point of detachment, the point from where the leaves was detached from the plant, it had some sap. Okay, so we have to let the leaves dry that sap so that there is no chance of any infection. So as soon as you see that all the water has been dried up, you can transfer these leaves in the growing medium. And for the growing medium I've taken sand and soil mixture in equal amounts. So all the nutrients are present in soil and sand will provide a good drainage. Okay, because succulents hate overwatering, so you have to keep a good content of balu or sand in this growing medium. So one thing you should keep in mind that for growing these little succulents, you don't have to add anything. You don't have to water them. You can see that the growing medium is literally not having any water. It is totally dried. So I don't water them. I don't put any organic fertilizer in this, just sand and soil, right? And you can see that small little calluses will start forming within 1 week, right? And just after 1 month you can see that I have so many small plantlets taking shape. The roots are developing, the leaves are forming, little leaves are forming, mini plants are coming up. So this is the condition after 45 days, right? So in within 45 days you can really transfer these small plantlets into separate pots, or you can allow them to keep growing in this one only. So this is the condition, and this is very easy. I think propagating succulents was the easiest plant which I've ever propagated, because I was always having fears that oh, what will happen if the succulents would die in North Indian conditions, but it was not the case. I think it was very easy. That you can see that I've almost prepared 10 plants out of that leaves. So it is very easy if you don't over care for them. So what will happen that the plants will absorb all the nutrients which are available in the leaf itself. The leaf is fleshy, it is having a lot of water and nutrients, so you don't have to put anything extra from your side. The leaf is already carrying everything, and as soon as the leaf dies, you can see that the small plant will uh, become more stronger, right? So at this stage you can really transfer it into separate pot. You can also do the same thing with other succulents. This is sedum, and I have created small pot from the sedum as well. You can see this. I have taken a cutting and grown it separately. So you can also try out similar things, and if you like this video and this video has helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel and connect with us for more videos, because that will help us to create more content for you. Thanks for watching it.